Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day. I want to get straight into it. If you guys have ever been, as a photographer, has ever been interested in traveling, you know how space can be a very limited thing. So I have three products today that I'll be introducing to you guys and showing you pretty much an unboxing and first impression. I'm starting to do more travels and also more destination weddings. And I specifically got these items to kind of facilitate and help me with that. But before I ramble on anymore, guys, I'm going to get straight into it. Okay, so let me slide it over here. So these three items, all right? And the first one I'm going to start with is the power bank. When you're traveling out the airport, you never know when it is that they're going to be running out of battery. And this item right here is pretty much going to help to facilitate you charging on the go. The one thing I'm very impressed about with this item is the fact of how it's able to be charged via solar. Once you open the package, the device is here, as well as on the side, you have a USB-A to USB-C connection. Let me put that to the side, and let me open the item up. And right here in the front, you guys are pretty much going to see that you have a big solar panel right here that you can just charge by putting it in the sun or any form of light. On the back of it, you're going to also have a compass, which I think is very handy if you're going to be doing any kind of hiking, stuff like that. In the front, you have two LEDs right here. And if I should press the power on, just to turn it on, you can see right there how bright it is. As well as in the top section here, you have two USB and one USB-C in the middle. You can actually charge two items at the same time, which I think is very handy to have. So if you have your iPhone or your iPad, you're able to charge each devices simultaneously on the go. This one, let me just go for a little bit more information here. This one, it has a drop resistant, it has dust proof, and also water proof as well. It has about a meter in terms of depth. So if you drop it into the water, and it can last for about 30 minutes. Pretty handy device. You're going to see really reasons why I actually got this. And for the amperage, it's 36,800 amperage that comes with the device. So very, 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 very good indeed. Let me just put that to the side right there. For now, these two items I'll save for last. So I'll put this to the side. The main item, especially for my travels, is this case right here. It's the case called Soul Mode. Very, very good. I've been checking out the reviews on it, and so far it's been pretty positive. So let me put that to the side. All right. So the one thing I'm very impressed with, just as I got it, is how smooth it moves around. Very, very, very smooth. The handle as well to attract and detract. It's very smooth, very, very, very smooth. The handle, there's also another handle that you can use to hold. And the one thing I noticed is that once I hold it, it's very balanced. It's not rocking too much to one side or the other. Let me just take this off right here. And then the other handle to the side right here, very balanced as well, as you can see. So it's pretty good. And when I release it, it softly drops, which I think is very good as well. It also has two latches on the side right here. So let me put it down like so. And then You press those. There are two buttons onto the side of it. You press it and it opens up. And then once it opens up, you're able to see what the insides look like. Very clean, very presentable. You have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments. The larger compartments you can put like your combs or any kind of colognes or anything like that you want to put in. Let me open it up all the way. You can see the insides right there. On the top, it has 2 latches. I will definitely be taking some pictures so you guys can see up close of that. And literally all you do, you pull it up and it's very easy to detach. And below that, you have another section right here with a strap that holds everything down into its place so that there's not much moving around happening. So that for me, I think is just amazing. The one beautiful thing I really, really do appreciate mostly with this case is there is a front section here, right here. You literally just unlock and it opens down. Beautiful. You can put your laptop, your iPad, and many other items that you need, your passport when you're traveling, anything, your maps, whatever it is that you're going to be using. So it has a very much convenience. It's very convenient for you to have that you don't have to literally open the entire case itself to get access to the items that you want to use mostly on your way. The one thing I must say is that the outer exteriors are made of plastic, but in the middle section right here where it closes, there is a rubber grommet, and also it is made of aluminum, which I think is very, very, very good. It has also a USB section on top which is why I actually bought the power bank. And it doesn't come with a power bank, but based on my research, I've found out that this power bank is very handy and it works well with this, because literally once I open the latch in the front, there is a USB cable right here. And all I need to do is open the latch on top of the USB, and all I do is just plug it in. Once it's plugged in, there's a little section that you can just slide it in. And then on top now, you have a rubber grommet that you lift, and then you can just charge your devices. Pretty handy, pretty convenient. All right, so let me get to the other item now. Let me put this to the side for now. Right there. So this other item right here is a tripod. No, not a tripod, a light stand. This is a light stand. And what I must say, it's called the ulandzi tripod. It's made out of carbon fiber. Very, very, very impressed with what I saw online. Okay, so once you open the box itself, it comes with 2 extra items in the bottom. Let me just throw these things to the side. So it comes with a vertical smartphone clip inside, and also it comes with a small remote that you can do like selfies, which I'm not sure I'm going to be using, but maybe one of you guys will be interested in something like this. I'm not too interested into the phone mode. This is actually an additive because I didn't even know that this was something that's going to be coming inside, and it's pretty useful, I would say. Based on first impressions, you have to literally roll this thing to open the spacing for the iPhone to go in, or the phone to go in. And for me, I would rather if it had like a spring-loaded, ability to just open and close very fast. You have to literally sit down and turn to close. So for me, not really a fan of that. So I'll put these 2 together, and I'll put this to the side over here. All right, so let's get into the case. One thing I like is the case. The case is very well made. Not much padding on one side, but there's some padding on the other side. Let me unzip it. Once you open it, looks very, very good, guys. I must admit, this looks phenomenal. Well built. Let me open it up. The one thing I can say is how smooth it is in terms of the movements. Very, 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 very smooth. I'm 5 feet tall, 5'11" rather. If I put this to the side, right, it has a lever at the bottom where you can loosen or tighten. So I'm going to just tighten it now, just so that it can stand. I just want you guys to be able to see. So I'm going to loosen each of the knobs, and that way I can put it up there. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, 1 more, and that's 4. So I'm standing here, and it's literally above. It's about 6 feet 4 inches, I think it is. Like I said, I'm 5'11". All right. The one thing I love about it too is that once I loosen here, the legs itself can go all the way flat on the ground and tighten like so. Pretty good. And it's very sturdy. One thing I also love too, just to add, is it has these rubber feet. So when it's on the floor and I tighten, just like so, there's no noise. So nice. When I'm moving this right here, it is so smooth. Very, very easy. Just like that. And one more bonus, let me just tighten. If you loosen the bottom piece all the way, and then you pull, this now can be used as a monopod or a selfie stick. How amazing is that? Very, very, very good, guys. I very, very much am impressed with the craftsmanship. The one main thing why I bought this stand, like I said, go back to my initial statement before, is the fact that I want to be able to travel with these items. So when I bought it with the intention, knowing full well that I want to put it on the inside of the case, because when I'm traveling, I try not to check any of my photography equipment at all. Hold on, let me just fix this real quick. I didn't put it in all the way. So let me fix that. Okay, here we go. Good. Okay. So let me close it back once more. So when I close it let me just open this real quick. It fits nicely on the inside. And if you can remember, if I should take this off, so let me unscrew this and take it out, I have even more space. So I'm going to screw this back on like so, close the legs. I have a lot of space and it fits nicely within the case. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Links would be in the description below to each of these items. They are affiliate links, and it really helps out the channel, if you guys, purchase any of these using the links below. I would really appreciate it. And like I said before, I will be, throwing onto the screen some close-up shots so that you guys can see exactly how each of these items look individually and as a unit together. All right, guys. So if you guys enjoy that, smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for more. And hope you guys stay safe and take care. Peace.